The very, very kind of initial sort of kernel of the idea was the desire to do something that felt very authentic to where I'm from in the north of Ireland. And then as we got deeper into the sort of writing of the script and the research of the script, we discovered this legend of Abertac and the connection to Bram Stoker and all that kind of thing. And it just really felt like a very rich mythology to try to tap into and use, and also use as a jumping off point to kind of create our own or Irish genre films that felt authentic, in terms of place and character and humor, but that hopefully could have a life beyond these shores because we were doing them within the architecture of genre movies.